Welcome for this OTTD classes, online classes. Good morning, students. So that sustaining and maintaining organizational culture consists of three factors, three forces, or three elements. First one is selection, second one is top management, and third one is socialization. So socialization means adaptation of new employees to the organizational culture. That process is known as socialization. So that socialization process is divided into three stages. Socialization process is divided into three stages. The first stage is pre-arrival stage. First stage is pre-arrival stage, and the second stage is encounter stage, and the third stage is metamorphosis stage. Pre-arrival stage, first one. Second stage is encounter stage, and the third stage is metamorphosis stage. First we will discuss about pre-arrival stage. So this pre-arrival, the name itself you can understand, before entering into the organizational itself. Before entering into the organization itself, the candidate or individual have to know certain things. The stage learning that occurs before a new person joins the organization. Certain things, a certain things as a person have to know before entering into the organization. So what, before entering into the organization as an individual, what they have to know is they have to know both what kind of work the organization is going to do, what is the complete history of the organization. For example, when you are entering into the interview means, first they will ask, what do you know about our company? The first question is give the self introduction, and the second question is, what do you know about our company? So that what do you know about the company, that things you have to learn before. So with the help of from the already working peoples, you can collect some information. With the help of newspapers, you can collect some information. With the help of company websites, you can collect some information. That learning should occurs before entering into a organization, before entering as a new employees in the organization. That is what the pre-arrival stage. What are all the things, what are all the informations you have collected about the particular company? That is known as pre-arrival stage. So why this stage is very important means, when you are collecting the information about the particular company means, you know about the complete history of the company. What is their vision, what is their mission, what is their objective, what kind of products they are producing, what the kind of services they are providing, what is the job vacant, likewise what is the job descriptions, what is the job components. Everything you can collecting means, you can analyze on your own whether the company is match with my skill set, whether the organizational culture is match with my character, whether I able to adapt to the organizational policies. So when you are collecting all those information, you can analyze on your own whether the company can suitable for me or not. So that thing is very very important. For that purpose only, in majority of the interview, they will ask, what do you know about my company? For example, when MBA students they have to develop attitudes or behavior. So we are all studying MBA. So what we are studying here, what organization is expecting: positive attitude, communication skills, good decision making skills, self confidence, motivation, psychology, how we are handling the problem, how we are facing the challenges, how we have to interact with the subordinates. So these are all the things needed by the company. So that and all the things we are learning in MBA. What company expect, that we are learning here in MBA. So this is the pre-arrival stages. And the second one is encounter stage. So encounter stage is entering into the organization. Encounter stage is a socialization process. The employee see what organization is really expect from the candidate. That is means entering the first day they are entering into the company. After selecting in the interview, the employee is entering into the company. So in this stage, the socialization process started to the next level. The new employee see what the organization is really expect from the employee. In that expectations, they have been more or less accurate. The entire stage merely provide the reaffirmation process during the pre-arrival stage. They will confirm what the employee is going to do, whether he or she can able to adapt or not. It rebels. So it is a role behavior risk rebels as facing in that organization, right? So that is known as encounter stage. And the last one is metamorphosis stage. So it is nothing but the new employee accept the organizational culture and adjust to the job, work group, team, organization, and start working together for the benefit of the organization, for attaining the organizational goal. The new employee self realize the norms of organization, what is the objective of organization. Slowly the employee transferred to the organizational culture, adapting the organizational culture, starting performing her work or his work towards the organizational betterment. So this is known as metamorphosis stage. Once the employee is entered into this last stage of metamorphosis, means automatically the employee can shine well in an organization. So these are all the three stages involved in socialization process. Pre-arrival, first stage, encounter, second stage, and third one is metamorphosis stage. So thank you for watching this video, students.